Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are good and I hope you're well. So today I'm going to be sharing with you some of my favorite anti-inflammatory drinks to drink when I'm feeling a little bit sick, a little bit down, a little bit under the weather, and these drinks pick me right up. If you guys are new here, I'm not new to this. I'm very true to this. I've been juicing for 4 years now and it's been so good for my immune system and my health overall. So I'm going to show you some of the juices that I feel like have helped the most when it comes to boosting my immune system and my health. Starting off strong with one of my favorite orange juices. I love to juice papaya and oranges together. I feel like they have so many great anti-inflammatory benefits. Other ingredients in this juice include ginger, turmeric, carrots, cayenne pepper. Literally, this is a powerhouse of health. So you want to start by peeling your carrots. You can eat them unpeeled, but of course you have to make sure you wash them. But carrots are a great source of vitamin A, vitamin K1, potassium, and also fiber. Carrots are said to not only improve digestion, they also boost your energy as well as promoting great skin. I'm personally not a huge fan of carrots. I don't really like the way they taste, but just for variation purposes, I thought let me just actually put carrots in this juice. Normally I have this juice with just papaya, oranges, and the other ingredients, but I thought to spice it up by adding some carrots as well as some cayenne pepper. Now oranges I love. Like, I can drink oranges all day, every day. I absolutely love the taste of oranges, especially cold. Oh my god, amazing. They are so high in vitamin C, which is great for your immune system, great for boosting your energy, great for your skin. When I think of orange fruit and veg, I think of skin, I think of glow, I think of radiance. The vitamin C in oranges helps to support collagen that's built in the skin, and it also helps with tissue repair in your skin. So it's just such a great ingredient. Papaya is a fruit that I had to grow to like. First, I wasn't really a fan, but once I felt how great it made me feel as well as how good it made me look, I was like, yeah, I need to keep this in my routine. I also make sure to juice the seeds because they have a lot of health benefits. The seeds alone can rid your body of parasites as well as worms. It's just a great fruit overall. Ginger by itself can reduce the production of inflammation in your body. Ginger also stimulates circulation and immune response. It aids digestion, it detoxifies your body, it supports your body with defense mechanisms to get you back to health. It's such a great ingredient. I never ever miss ginger in my juices. I always include ginger as well as key limes, but I'll get to the key limes in a second. Turmeric also contains iron, potassium, vitamin B, and it enhances immune regulation and antibody response. So it's also a great ingredient. So if you're feeling down in the dumps, make sure to try all these ingredients either by themselves or in a juice. In a juice is probably going to pack all the punch in one and give you the boost that you need to get you back to health if you're not feeling well. Look how gorgeous and orange that juice is, guys. Oh my goodness. And of course, I went on top with the cayenne pepper for that extra boost, and this tasted amazing. Now you can drink your juice straight away, but sometimes I like to store my juices in a tightly sealed glass jar for more longevity. Now the next drink I'm going to make only requires 2 ingredients, and it's simple and cheerful to make. All I use are seeded grapes, some blueberries, as well as some ginger root. It's so easy and it tastes so good. All you really have to do for this juice is wash your produce, peel off the skin off the ginger, and bang them in the juicer and let the juicer do its work. If you guys are wondering, this juicer is the Hurum H400. I absolutely love it. I'll have a link in the description if you want to use it. It's so good. But yeah, this juice, oh my god, this juice is one of my favorites. It tastes so refreshing, so good. It's perfect for flu season. You will not be getting a cold or sick if you drink this juice nearly every day. This is guaranteed to protect your immune cells from stress. Now the next drink isn't so tasty, I will admit, but the benefits of drinking this drink every day are endless. So I'm basically making a concoction of teas. The ingredients in these teas are just amazing. Elderberry, for example, is high in vitamin C, vitamin A, iron, potassium, fiber. It's great for enhancing immune response to viruses. It also reduces duration of cold and flu symptoms. It protects your system from stress. Burdock root detoxifies the blood and the lymphatic system in the body, which is so good because guys, when I eat so much starch, much like my body feels drained, and this tea just regulates my body back together. Burdock root also supports your liver health. There's just endless benefits to drinking these teas. When I say these teas are so good for you, they are so good. I feel like herbs are a great way to maintain your health. There's so many benefits to eating herbs as well as drinking herbs, or just making sure they're in your system some way. I also love to add ginger root and key limes to this mixture. If you haven't seen my video about key limes or natural fruits and things like that, make sure you check out that video. I'll leave it in the tab. But yeah, I speak about this quite a lot in my videos. Key limes are basically just seeded limes. They are great for alkalining the body and just boosting the immune system. They're great for fighting cold, flu, regulating your lymphatic system, and just helping the body just feel overall great. So what I like to do, I like to boil the tea in a pot. You can, however, use a kettle. I don't necessarily use normal kettles. I have like a kettle that I put on the hob, but just make sure you boil the tea to like a good temperature. Let it cool for a bit and then pour it out. I like to sieve it out like this, but the teapot that I use sometimes also has like a sieve like in it, so you can have that option of using a teapot with a sieve. This is an example of what I'm talking about. It's a great kettle. I got mine from Amazon, but you can just sieve it normally, and this is what it's going to look like. It's going to be a brown liquid. And guys, it doesn't taste good. I think I'm just getting used to the taste over time, but when I tell you, this is a great drink to drink when you are feeling down, feeling sick. It would just revitalize your body and bring you back to health. I absolutely recommend drinking these teas. And last but not least, we have the almighty, all-powerful, very tasty, I'll have you know, green juice. I know a lot of you like to avoid green juice, but you guys, when I tell you, you need to get on the green juices. The green juices is what's really going to vitalize your health. This is where it's at. Green juices are obviously packed with a lot of leafy greens. I like to use parsley. I love the smell of parsley. I love the taste of parsley. In this green juice, I use green apples, but most times I use pears because I feel like I just prefer the taste of pears. Apples are great, but I find that pears juice a lot smoother. I like to de-pit my apples and obviously give them a good wash. Always give your produce a wash because they're sprayed with pesticides and all sorts of things that you don't want to consume. And yeah, cucumbers, oh, this is a great powerhouse for health as well. Cucumbers are 90% water. This is basically you eating or drinking your water, but not necessarily the water that we see every day. This water is packed with a lot of vitamins, a lot of nutrients that literally your body soaks up and loves. This is gonna not only help you get back to health, it's gonna help you with your skin, your hair, your nails. It's also gonna help you regulate your weight. And of course, I add the necessary key limes as well as ginger root. These are very vital in my juices. I add them into most, if not all, my juices because I just find that they are just so powerful. If you can't get your hands on key limes, you could use lemons. I'm not the biggest fan of lemons. That doesn't mean they're bad. I just prefer using key limes because I feel like they're just packed with a little bit more than lemons, but that's just my personal opinion. But yeah, make sure you wash all your ingredients and get them ready. And I start with putting my leafy greens in the juicer first. The juicer chops it up a lot easier that way. And then next I add my ginger and then lemon or your key limes. I did both today just to give you some variety. And then your apples, of course, your cucumbers, and then shut and walk away. This juicer is so good, guys. It's easy to clean and it just works so fast as well. As I mentioned, it is the Hurum H400 juicer. I will leave a link in the description box with a discount code if you would like to get your hands on it. It's so good. The pulp is so dry. I love it. I juice with it every week and literally I've had it for years and it does me so well. So yeah, I would 1000% recommend this juicer. This juice tastes so good. It's so refreshing as well. And flu season is real. Like you can catch cold, you can catch anything, and kids are coming back with everything these days. So this juice is gonna get you back to health. If you guys would like more recipes, you can check out my ebook. I have it linked in the description box as well. But of course, I appreciate you guys so much for watching. I hope this video has been helpful. I hope you've learned something. Make sure to check out the description box with all the information that you might need, and leave me a comment if you enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you guys soon in another video. Bye guys. Mwah.